Good morning. Good morning. It's Saturday. It's March 14th. Welcome to the DJ Stocks Show, where we get a little ducky about our money. I'm just some old retired guy trying to make a million. We're trying every way we know. Sharing our secrets for free. Look at that. Give yourself a little bit of silver and precious metals. Let me bring the music down. We'll talk about today's topic. Oh, there you go. There you go. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. It's kind of chilly here in Chicago. Getting some inch of snow on Sunday. Yeah, that's not good. Inch of snow on Sunday. If you stick around for 15 minutes, the weather will change entirely here in Chicago. We had a tornado this week. We had high winds of 60 miles per hour, like all day yesterday. Had snow another day, a little bit of snow. And then we threw in some 70-degree weather. How crazy is that stuff? How crazy is that? Oh. And then you throw in the stock market, right? If anyone's in the stock market, you know that ain't doing so well. Let me, I got a little bit of cranberry juice here in the morning. Gotta stay hydrated. Gotta ring my cowbell too. There you go. There you go. I've done everything I need to do. Now I just need to tell you how to manage your money. Today's tip is all those people that are getting ready to retire or recently retired. My biggest tip is to make sure you have 2 to 3 years of your cash needs highly liquid. Okay, by that I mean a money market account that's highly liquid and stable. Have some in some CDs, right? You can probably get 3.75 to 4% on CDs. I haven't been checking the rates lately, but you can do that. And if you're at Fidelity, Fidelity has like a cash sweep feature, which I really like, because I can just make sure that I have X number of amount of cash in my brokerage account, and the rest of it I sell or trade, or once I sell it goes back to cash right away. And that pulls in about right now it's pulling in about 3.8, 3.7. It usually comes pretty close to a CD. Now, if you got CDs, consider going to Charles Schwab or Fidelity for them, because the banks around your house are not going to be offering CD rates that are very competitive. And if they are, they're going to want your money for like a year, 11 months, 2 years. Don't sign up for that. Go through a brokerage, Fidelity or Schwab or whatever else is out there. They've got 30-day CDs, 60-day CDs, 90-day CDs with awesome rates. Awesome, pretty much whatever the Fed is off, the Fed rate, very close to the Fed rate. So use that. I highly recommend. That's liquid, right? You sign up for an 11-month CD. That's pretty restrictive. Should you have a problem with a high wind and your roof fall off or something like that, you might need a little bit of cash. So I recommend stuff like that for your cash. But a lot of people don't realize, have like 2 to 3 years laying around, whatever you're comfortable with, because look what happened now. The market's down like for the last really last 2 months, right? The last 2 months, the market's been down. And if you hadn't taken out your cash yet for the year, you're screwed. You're screwed. Now you're poised with doing without the cash or selling your stocks in a down market and taking a loss just so you can get at your cash. That's not good. So there's a little tip from the wise guy here. My name is DJ Stocks, and I'm trying, ain't working this year yet, trying to make $80,000 a month day trading with my 401k portfolio on the stock market. So haven't been doing so well this year, but I'm here to tell you this year's starting out like last year. January was February was miserable, and March was even more miserable. It was the Liberation Day tariffs. Remember those? Remember what they did to the stock market? But I'm here to tell you, last year after March, the stock market came roaring back. So we've got some hope. We've got some hope, and if you've been praying to the big guy above, where is my big guy picture? Here it is. If you've been praying to the big guy above, I'm sure he's getting ready to take care of you, if not the end of March, into April. So that's what you got. We got that. So comment down below if you got any suggestions, questions, comments. Love to hear from you. I hope that you're making money. We had a great year last year. 39.5% last year. Had some miserable months. Yeah, but during the summer last year, from like April to August, we were knocking it out of the park. So we're hoping for another great year like last year, and that's what we're doing here. And we're sharing our journey with you. So free of charge, not charging you anything. Check in on a daily basis. I tell you how much I made, how much I lost. I didn't check. I know I lost yesterday. Oh, God. I bet you I'm down $12,000 yesterday. I have to check. I got a feeling it's like a break-even month right now. So it's just the way it is. It's the stock market is like a yo-yo, and I be making peanuts in the market now. Oh, Lordy. Yeah, thank God I got my 2 to 3 years of cash laying around so I can support myself while I wait for the market to come back. So come along with me, and we'll try to destroy Wall Street and make some money while we do it. It's DJ Stocks. Like, share, and subscribe if you would, please. For the old retired guy, hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell. Over and out. It's DJ Stocks.